So let's see how we can get Eclipse set up to give us access to the course GitHub repository. So I'm doing this on a brand new clean virtual machine. So this is making the assumption that you don't have anything installed whatsoever. So I'm going to launch a web browser and I'll go to eclipse.org and I want to download Eclipse and then select download. And then once it downloads, I'll launch the installer. And you'll see you get a lot of options here. For our purposes, the very first one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And if this changes in the future, you want Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And let's expand this window so that we can see the install button. So we'll leave everything as default and we'll say install. We'll accept all the agreements. And then now we'll wait for Eclipse to complete installation. So now let's go ahead and launch Eclipse. Then I need to select where I want my workspace to be stored. And you want to make this somewhere where you know how to get to that folder. And in this case, the default is good enough. And then Eclipse should start. So now that we've installed Eclipse, let's set up a Hello World project just to make sure everything is working. So we'll close this, and we can close this window as well. So we'll go to File, New, Java Project, and we'll call this Hello World. So since this is the module, we should call it lowercase Hello World. So let's create a package to put our class in, and we'll call this package hello. And inside that package, we'll create a class called hello world. We'll write a main method. And we'll run this. So it's prompting us to save. And I'm just going to click always save resources before launching. And now you can see we have our output hello world here at the bottom. So from here, I could create additional packages and classes, whatever I wanted to do. I could also create additional projects or whatever else it is I wanted to do to write Java programs.